back to my channel. My name is Carly Stevens and this is English Nerd. Today in the 2-Minute Writer, I wanted to talk about an essay titling hack that has been really helpful for me ever since I kind of figured it out in college. Now, this is not the only way to title essays, but it is something that comes across as really professional and is kind of fun to do, so I use it a lot and hopefully it's helpful for you. First of all, 3 quick things to avoid when you're titling your essay. Number 1, not titling your essay. That's a terrible idea. Number 2, going too quirky and funky. It doesn't come across as professional at all. And number 3, and this is by far the most common, being boring. What is the topic of the essay? Well, I'll just throw that up there as the title. Nobody cares. People are half asleep before they even get to your essay. So, my suggestion is this. For the purposes of illustration, I'm going to be using John Donne because, let's face it, he is extremely dreamy. Let's pretend that your essay prompt is that you need to make an argument about the religious imagery in John Donne's Holy Sonnets. Now, you could title the essay Religious Imagery in John Donne's Holy Sonnets, but honestly, that is the most boring, horrible idea. No, instead, what I think would be much better is, first of all, you write the essay first. You don't title it first, you wait to title it to the end. Then you look back over the quotations that you used in your essay, choose one that is indicative, reflective of the point that you make throughout the essay, shorten it up, or just use the words that are the most relevant, and then put that up as the first part of your title. So for instance, if you were writing about religious imagery in the Holy Sonnets of John Donne, a couple of short pieces that you might have used in your essay would be contraries meet in one, or burn me, O Lord, because he's kind of controversial with his metaphors. So choose something like that in quotation marks, and then put a colon, just the ... and then what the essay is actually about, the topic. So, think about how professional and cool that is. Suddenly you have burn me, O Lord, colon, religious imagery in Donne's sonnets. That sounds fantastic, and it's really easy to do. It sounds snappy, it sounds professional, and it's simple. So that is my tip for you today. Hopefully you find this helpful. If there are any other ways that you have found to title your essays, a hack or something, put it in the comments. Otherwise, I will see you on Monday.